getting seafood for our seafood platter today. Come join me. If this doesn't scream Aussie summer Christmas, I don't know what does. With seafood, I get suspicious when it's too cheap, but you've got to like know what's good value. You get what you pay for, so. Hot tip for you, we do not spend money on lobster. We actually get Moreton Bay bugs instead because you get way better bang for your buck. And then there's also Balmain bugs. We prefer Moreton Bay bugs because the meat tends to be a little sweeter and better flavour. It's tastier and you get more of it. So the thing with lobster is it's like wine, you get what you pay for. So if you want a good lobster that actually tastes of lobster and is really sweet, you need to spend money. I'm talking 120 upwards. All right, let's get some prawns. We are so lucky here in Australia. We have such great prawns. We love king prawns because they're big and they're meaty and they're sweet. We love tiger prawns because they're savoury and a little bit saltier. And banana prawns, best value, but they're still incredibly good. Hot tip, always ask for a taste test. Very big. Let's get some crab. We have the blue swimmer crab, so classic Australian crab, super sweet, really good value. You can get them raw or cooked. I generally just get them cooked. So spanner crab, big meaty bodies. The meat is super sweet. The flesh is a little bit flaky though, so you don't get those meaty flakes like you do with other types of crabs, but these are looking good. I do love a good mud crab, but you know what? On Christmas Day, I just don't want to be tackling raw mud crab. Here's my advice on king crab legs. A lot of people love them because they're so big and meaty, but they're very expensive and they're quite hit and miss. I just think it's just so much more reliable to get spanner or blue swimmer crab. The one exception is if you can find raw king crab legs and cook it yourself, you generally got a higher hit rate, we find, but if you buy it cooked and especially frozen. So there's two types of oysters here in Australia. There's Sydney Rock and Pacific. We love the Pacific because they're big and they're meaty, and we love the Sydney Rock for the flavour. You can't go wrong with either of them, to be honest. But my ultimate favourite are the big, fat Tasmanian ones. Here they are, the best mussels. You know they're good because they're heavy, which means they're juicy. I always like to have some smoked salmon on my seafood platters. We always like to get a little bit of sashimi for our seafood platter as well. Kingfish is high on the list. Generally don't do salmon because we normally have a cooked salmon or smoked salmon on the platter. I am in a kerfuffle trying to figure out how I'm going to get all of this on this tiny little platter. Shoot done, time to eat.